The X1 card was released with the claim that it's the smartest credit card in the world. And I got one to test that out, and it has been smart, but the problem has always been with the rewards that it offers. You can use points in a standard way to redeem your points for purchases, or you can do something more unique, which is actually buy stocks with your points. And now what they're offering is the ability to redeem your points with your X1 card and turn them into gift cards. And so for me, I was really looking forward to this because it could be potentially, that's upside down, it could be potentially like the most convenient of all of these forms, because not only could I use the gift cards for something that I was going to buy anyway, but I could also gift the gift card to somebody else. So I love the ability of getting a gift done and not having to leave the house, not having to think about it too much. You just go, hey, they would love a Nike gift card. Boom, send it off to them. Easy, done, use points, no money exchange hands. Seems really great. So let's fact check that and see just how good they are. Are they convenient? Is the points per dollar ratio good? And are the number of retailers that we can actually access adequate enough to use this and be excited about it? So first, let's open the app. It looks like this. And then what we need to do is go over to the points section. So we'll go over here to points, and then it gives us all the options as far as what we can do with the points and how we can redeem them. The first option there is to invite a friend, unlock 4 times to 10 times points. If you guys want to apply with my link, that's in the description. It's not guaranteed that you're going to get the card. You still have to go through credit checks in a lot of the same ways as other cards, though it's not the same as other credit cards. I think it's more income-based than it is credit-based, so apply at your own discretion, but I've liked the card so far. And if you spend enough money, you can get 3 times the points every month, which is kind of cool. I got that last month because I spent so much. It's a counterintuitive thing, right? You spend so much, you get more points. Like, yeah, but I had to spend the money to get there. Anyway, the next thing down, treat yourself to a gift card. Let's see what we can do. View gift cards. Let's see all the retailers. Oh, that's it. That's the whole list. There is nothing more than that. Nike, Best Buy, Airbnb, Express, Nintendo, Sephora, DoorDash. What is that one? Instacart. It's just like a carrot. Target, Uber Eats, Macy's, and REI. That's it. Which, I mean, those are good stores, and I shop at some of them. But if you want something more than that, you got no other option. Okay, well now my question is, what is the points per dollar ratio? Is it as good as the other rewards in the app through the X1 card? Let's find out. Let's say I wanted an REI gift card for $100 because I need some new running shoes. That'd be 14,286 points. So 14,286. Now if I can go in and pretend like I'm going to redeem my points for a purchase I've already made, let's see what that kind of ratio is. So with Apple, it's literally 100 points per dollar. So it's straight across 1-to-1. I mean, that ratio of the REI gift card is like 1.4-to-1, right? Because you're at 14,000. What about other retailers? Are they the same? 14,000 for Nike. Oh, with Nintendo, you can't even get a $100 gift card. It starts at $10. But yeah, it'd be 14,000 and change. Target, 14,286. So it's a worse conversion ratio than it is to redeem with points and pay off purchases you've already made. And then a cash back value. So for my 2,825 points that I currently have now, I can get a credit of 1978. So again, that's like a 1.4 points to dollar ratio or points to cent ratio. Not the best. So obviously the very best value you're going to get is to pay off purchases you've already made. The gift cards did not offer as good of an option. Wait, and what happened to the whole buying stocks thing? I don't see it in here as an option at all. What? Wow, it's just gone. Dude, wow, totally gone. Huh, and I just updated all my apps this morning. That's interesting. Here's my guess with that. Because X1 was bought by Robinhood, they were acquired. I'm guessing Robinhood forced them to turn that feature off, because I wouldn't be surprised if somehow they merge that technology into Robinhood, or if nothing else, they just don't want the competitor. And they can say, hey, turn that off because we don't want other people investing outside of our platform. Like, we're the investing guys, you're the banking guys. Keep it separate. Huh, well, guess that is no longer relevant as a topic of conversation. I like that they did that. I thought that was cool. Like, just lessen the gap between me spending the money and me investing, because maybe some people are out there. Comment below if you do this. Maybe you use your credit card points and you just get cash back and then you invest the cash. That would be wise, because you're less likely to just blow the money on something you don't really need. So at least that way you're investing this little bit of return. But wow, we can't do it with the X1 anymore. That's a bummer. Well, let's pretend like I'm going to buy one. And how easy could I send somebody one? I think I have to actually buy one. I don't want to buy a $10 Nintendo gift card. Sorry, guys. So if I'm them, I'm going to create a digital gift card and then I'll be able to send somebody a link to it, or I could use it myself. So I'm going to guess that's really the option. It's not going to like mail you one, but I could be wrong. However, I don't think that really matters, because in my mind, the ratio of points you have to spend to get access to dollars via a gift card is not worthwhile. It's just not very good. Like, why would I not just circumvent that whole process then? Go to the store. Like, if I'm going to use one of those retailers, let's say I'm going to go buy an REI gift card anyway, I can just go buy a $100 REI gift card from REI for $100 and then use the pay off purchases feature in here and use my points more as like a 1-to-1 ratio anyway. So that doesn't really make any sense to me why anyone would use it directly. Plus, then you're not limited to those retailers. You could pay off purchases for whatever gift card you buy. So X1, I'm a little disappointed in that. It seems like kind of a moot point, a moot feature. I don't see the value there. I think you need to have better exchange rates between those to make them legitimate. At least keep them the same as the other ones, but better luck next time. This is kind of a cool thing, these boosts that allow you to say, hey, the next time you pay with your phone, get 3 times the points, or the next time you buy something on Amazon, you get 3 times the points, 5x on your next gas purchase. Ooh, I need to use that. That would be wise. Because it's not like other cards where it locks you into only getting the boost of the month and they set it. This way you have a lot more control and you can like strategically deploy this card whenever you want to get the most points. I think that's cool. I like that feature. And I still really like the virtual cards. Like I made one for a Fiverr contract so that I could pay somebody. They made a bunch of graphic design kind of stuff for me and edited videos and stuff like that. They don't anymore because it didn't work out, but partially because I thought maybe it wouldn't work out. I only wanted this to be like a one-time use card. So I was able to generate a digital card, use it for that purchase, and then the card is gone now. So it doesn't work anymore. I think that's a really cool feature. I just don't know what else is going to change now that they've been acquired by Robinhood. Now my mind is racing going, what else is Robinhood not going to like or want to absorb into itself? Like, what if Robinhood just takes all that technology from the card and makes it a Robinhood credit card? Like if I'm them, that's what I'm doing because I want all that branding to be in-house and I want it to all be a Robinhood related thing. I don't want a separate brand. I mean, people don't know X1 as a brand really, except for me and you, nerds, sitting here talking about credit cards together in my mom's car. So my truck is in the shop again. But the majority of people don't have that kind of brand recognition. So I'm going to guess, if I had to predict, I'm going to guess that the days of the X1 card are numbered. Instead, they're going to shut that down and issue us Robinhood credit cards. Mark my words. See if I'm right. Hey, notice whenever I'm in YouTube that only like 10% of you guys that watch my videos are subscribed. So if you're watching this now, you've made it to this point, it was obviously a value add for you. It was good information. Would you do me a favor and just subscribe? Because that tells YouTube and it tells everybody who's involved on the internet, hey, these are valuable videos. People want to see them. And there's maybe a little bit better chance you actually see future videos too. So that would help me out a lot. It's totally free for you to watch these. So one little ask in return would be great. All the services and products and things that I think are worthwhile are linked in the description. So if you want any kind of that information, then it's there for you. And I like to do a secret comment at the end of the videos. So today, secret comment word is peaks. This is Paestua Peak here in Phoenix, Arizona. It's beautiful, pretty vertical to get up there. I like to come out here sometimes at a lunch break, just check it out because it's just gorgeous. You can see some people way up there if you really look close, but they're kind of hard to spot. Really nice hike. If you ever come to the Phoenix area, right in the middle of town. Camelback Mountain is good too, but it's just packed all the time. So this will be less packed for you. I've got lots more videos coming up soon, including Acorns tutorials, new features that came out with Acorns, new features that came out with both Webull and M1 Finance, a new best investing app for beginners video for 2024 coming out, 2024 IRA and 401k income limits change and contributions limits change. All of this stuff is always in flux and changing. So if you want to see that, then subscribe for more. And until next time, see you guys later. Bye.
Moves and bam, huge profits. Lots of money in little time. It's like it's just raining on you. Whoa, whoa, just tons of money all over the place. But the problem is that that's not how it works. And this is not a good investing strategy long term. Let's talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly of day trading. Day trading just means someone is buying and selling stocks within a single day.